Give it a good stir. We're on medium-high heat here, folks, and we're going to cook these for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. For fun, I'm going to set my timer. Now, my regulars to the class always know this. Cooking is never time. I tell people that all the time. Cooking is never time. Cooking is a visual change, a texture change, an internal temperature change. It's never time. Time is given to you in a recipe just so you know how long this step should take. All right, so in the first step, heat a soup pot over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil, the mushrooms, the white pepper, stir to combine, and cook, stirring occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes until the mushrooms are soft and have reduced in size. That's our visual that we're looking for, and the texture change, okay? So it's always a visual or a texture change or an internal temperature, like when you're cooking a piece of meat, or a combination of those. It's never time. Don't get so hung up on time all the time, right? How many occasions have you guys baked a loaf of bread, let's say, and you took it out and you're like tapping on the bottom? Oh, I think it's done, right? And how many times has it not been done? And you think, oh, if I only would have kept it in there a little bit longer. Take the temperature of it. You take it like a thermometer, like here on my jacket, right? Dive it into that loaf of bread. When you think it's done, it should read 190 Fahrenheit on that thermometer. And then you will know it's done. There's no guesswork, right? But instead, people just get hung up on the time. Well, the recipe said, 45 minutes at 350. Time is nothing. Time is nothing. Ask Einstein. He'll tell you the same thing. Time doesn't exist, and especially doesn't exist in cooking. It's always a texture change, a visual, an internal temperature. Only, folks, not time. Don't worry about time, all right? Because I don't know how good your pot is. I don't know how big your burner is. Maybe you're using a small burner. Maybe you're using a big burner. Maybe your pan conducts heat really well. Maybe it doesn't at all. So without me giving you that visual, what you're looking for, or that texture change, I just say 2 to 3 minutes, you're just going to go on, and maybe you're not ready to go on, right? So important to know that. And this is the stuff you learn at the Chef de Zoom classes, folks. We're here to make you better home chefs. This is what we do by spelling stuff like that out for you, so you really know and understand when you come across a recipe. Hey, this is not a very good recipe. It doesn't even tell me what I'm looking for. It just says the time. Well, what's supposed to happen in that time frame, right? All right. Sometimes I get so excited. It's all good. It's all good.